Hi, and welcome to today's product update for Bridge Operator Console for RingCentral. This is the November 1st, 2022 update. There's a couple of new features this month. The first is we have updated the underlying RingCentral web phone, the piece that handles the audio communication, to the latest version, 0.8.13. The main feature that we're adding this month will be customization of call queue display in the bottom left-hand corner. So as calls come into queues, they're displayed here with the queue name, the caller ID number, caller ID name is available, and how long they've been in there. The additional configuration will happen with the right click of the menu. So let's say for this example, the demo queue, we would like to color those orange. So we can right click, we can select that, and now we'll notice all of the calls to the demo queue, the pickup button is now this bright orange color. So this will let you visually differentiate between calls that are ringing in for a particular queue of importance without having to actually read. So you'll be able to just, if you always need to pick up the orange calls first, easy, they'll stand out. And this isn't limited to just one. You can do this with as many queues as you like. As you see, we have a call for the Acme queue as well. So let's right click, select color, and there's 8 or 9 choices to pick from. So let's just make these blue, and you'll see instantly now all the calls to the Acme queue are in blue. So if we wanted to pick up Acme queue call, we just grab that blue one, pops right in. Still have the orange demo queue there, and you can switch those calls at any time. So, or those colors rather, at any time. So if you even midstream, if we wanted to change the demo queue to something else or set it back to nothing, you scroll down to none if you want. If we want to make it teal, we can do that. Now we see the demo queue is switched to the teal color. It gives you flexibility as the operators. So if there is a particular queue that's weighted more important than others, they can call that out with a particular color now. The other big announcement is we've pushed up the release date of a new product called Bridge MIRC, M-I-R-C. It stands for Microsoft Integration for RingCentral. What that does is, as you can see, Melissa Wendt here is on a call. It will push that call status into Microsoft Teams, and that'll pass through to Outlook, Excel, anything else you're working on. When they find your user, that you will show that you're in a call, even though you are on a call in RingCentral, not Microsoft Teams. As you can see, our Teams client, we don't have any calls, but we are standing out here as in a call. And when we were to get rid of, the calls that we have, this will go back quickly to our previous status of available, and you can see that as well. So it's synced through nice and quick. That product runs as a virtual server. It's a very small install. I think the total amount of space you'll need is probably less than 5 megabytes. But it will make a dedicated connection to the Microsoft 365 infrastructure as kind of a silent Teams client with whatever user it needs at the particular time. And it will make a connection hook back to RingCentral. So there's nothing that it's storing. It's run on your prem. It doesn't need anything other than internet access. It can have all ports incoming blocked. But there are instructions on our website as to how to try this out. There's a 30-day trial. So you can download and deploy it on Windows or Debian Linux or whatever you want to deploy the virtual machine. It's completely fine. So for more information, visit www.bridgeoc.com. You can find out information about that. And this has been the update for November 1st, 2022.